And remember this? We mailed this from the Magic Kingdom last year. And we were wondering if this is the stamps, if they still stamp it from Walt Disney World. And as you see, they don't. It's now just still Orlando. But we mailed this from the Magic Kingdom. This is part of our card exchange. We were doing good with the cards for a while. You can do postcards or anything. You mail us one and we'll send you one back. That'd be great. Especially the get well ones for Biggie. That would be awesome. And I've got a couple of things coming down the pike for that too, because I don't think he's going to be ready to do a full day yet for like May the 4th. He missed May the 4th last year too because of being sick. So I think he's going to miss it this year too. I got some on my sleeve. But this is a lot. These are fun, so they don't do that. And I will be going by into Christmas, Florida, where we were going to mail all our cards from, because it's supposed to also put Christmas, Florida. How cool would that be? I used to have done it years and years ago.